You can expect a lot from the 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, skid plates, and more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.